Oh, hello everyone, it's Eirik here. I've just recently come back from Tyrkir and visited our good friend Bragi, and he says to me, Eirik, you know what, you're starting to grow in status. You need something to make yourself look more up there. So I did a little bit of scoping around and I found something on Etsy that I think will actually help me with my status. So I bought something and it's quite affordable, especially if you're starting up in reenactment. It's always best to start small and then work yourself up, because it's all good buying a fancy tunic, buying yourself weapons. But small things are things that will count more so. So I've bought myself something nice. Yeah, that's very nice, but like all unboxing videos, you need to... So with the magic of editing, I will try this new item on. And what do you think, guys? It's a very nice example of a 6-panel hat made of wool lined with linen, and it has around the banding, if you would like to look closely. I will put pictures in, but it's got some nice tablet weave. And for £25 sterling, I think this is very nice. Leave in the comments what you think of it. Okay, thank you very much, guys.